Hey everybody, it's Jason Hawes from Roto-Rooter here, and today I'm going to teach you how to fix a running toilet like a pro.
A running toilet can become a staggering water bill, and if you're on a septic, over time, it could saturate your leach field and cause flooding damage in the home. This could run in the tens of thousands to repair. The most common reason for a toilet running is a faulty or dirty flapper valve, and a cheap fix running under $10. To replace a flapper valve, first off, turn off the water feeding into the toilet. Flush and hold the handle, allowing the water to exit through the flapper valve into the toilet, draining the back tank. Make sure you're replacing the flapper valve with one that is designed for that toilet's make and model. After double checking the flapper valve seal and the chain, turn the water on slightly to allow the tank to start filling. At this point, water will still be going into the toilet bowl. Turn the water back on to full force. Once the back of the toilet bowl is full, there should be no water leaking by the flapper valve.
And that's how you fix a continuously running toilet like a pro.